saying you have about 3.5 weeks left in the semester before your grades post, meaning 3.5 weeks of like actual school. Okay, so we've got these 2 days, Thursday and Friday. You've got next week. You've got the following week, and we're out of school on December 18th. And then we come back and we're in school for about a week and a half. So we're looking at about 3.5, 4 weeks, okay, of school left in this semester for you to get your grade where you want it to be or keep it where you want it to be. So semester 1 counts as 40% of your grade, okay? So on January 13th, I think it is, on January 13th, it locks in. So if you have an A, a B, a C, a D, an F, whatever you have, it will lock in at that 40%, okay? The second semester will begin semester 2, and that will last to the end of the year, and that is also 40% of your grade, okay? And then the last 20%, if you're doing the math here, 20% is the final exam, okay? And that'll be 20% of your grade. I don't know why that would change. I imagine we'll continue to do the exact same thing we've done every year. I mean, I know 2020 has been weird, but I don't see why they would change this. And that equals out to be 100% of your grade. So my big point here is if you, and what I'm really concerned with is those students who have an F, because it is really hard to have an average out. Let's say you have a 50% in the class, okay? It's really hard to take 40% of your grade being a 50% and then turn around second semester to average that out to be a passing grade. You don't need just a passing grade. You don't need just a 60. You need a 70%. So you need a C in the second semester to average out to be a passing grade. And then you take in the final exam, it can make it even harder. Long story short is take advantage these last few weeks to make sure you get your grade brought up, okay? It's much easier to pass the class or to get the grade that you want if you kind of bring it up at the end. Don't let this die off last minute, okay? Be careful, Shelby. Okay, be careful. So make sure that you are on top of it. Another thing I wanted to show you that I changed is that, okay, so I have this fake student account, and I've got them averaged in here at a 70%. So this is not a real student account. This is a fake student account. I'm on here, and if I go to my grade book for this fake student account, I wanted to show you something that I changed, okay? The grades didn't change, but the way I organized the grades changed. So I put no red ink at the top, okay? The reason I did that is so that when you scroll down, the last grades that you had are the newest grades or the newest assignments, okay? So for this student, I'm showing that they're missing some assignments, okay? The reason this student has a C and is still missing all these is because they have finished the big assignments, okay? And that's the assignments that are in the blue, knowledge and thinking, and the light blue, tealish color, written communication. And you'll notice they're not missing almost any of those assignments, and they're doing pretty well. They're missing a few of them, but it's really important that you're turning in your assignments, okay? The big message I wanted to say is that no red ink is now at the top, okay? So if you want to know what you've missed most recently, go to the bottom and make sure you're turning those in. And the biggest assignments are the ones that are going to fall in the knowledge and thinking and the written communication. You can see this fake student has some missing, but you need to be turning in your assignments, okay? And that'll make sure to get your grade up, okay? Okay, so I am going to leave it at that. You are going to go over to Echo now, and you are going to watch the video that is linked in, let me go to teacher mode so you can at least see it here. So you are going to watch, and I made a message of make sure you're in the Google Meet every day because I announce things. But you're going to watch this video and complete what's in that video, and I go through everything with you. Before you go,